The National Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals argued in the Constitutional Court for the right to privately prosecute animal abusers when the NPA declines to prosecute.
Only private, natural people can institute private prosecutions where the state declines to prosecute. We are arguing that that is inclusive, so anyone should be able to institute a private prosecution in those circumstances.
The animal rights organization wants the ConCourt to declare unconstitutional a section of the Criminal Procedure Act which allows only individuals, not juristic persons, to initiate a private prosecution.
Not appropriate then to make a substantive application for an amendment and file it with the registrar of the court, then the court can have a look at it, because I do not think that it is fair to the other parties to make an application from the bar like that.
Society, alongside Corruption Watch, who were admitted as a friend in court, challenged the Minister of Justice, Michael Masuta, and the National Director of Public Prosecutions on opposing the application to deem Section 7 unconstitutional.
Corruption Watch has entered this case from the perspective of their own work in taking complaints and investigating corruption. And so they might be, as many other NGOs might be in regard, or non-corporate entities might be in regard to issues which affect them, be in a good position to institute private prosecutions.
ConCourt judges had their own questions that the lawyers had to answer.
The judgment of the High Court and the SCA infuses Section 7(1)(a) with concepts of human passion, anger and emotion. And does the consistent infusion of human dignity through our court's interpretation not suggest that this is a core constitutive element of private prosecution?
Judgment has, however, been reserved in this case. With arguments being brought forward by the NSPCA and the Corruption Watch, the state says if the court finds in favor of the society, the order should be suspended to allow Parliament time to remedy the shortfall. Judgment has been, however, reserved in this case. Lungani Mnguni, NN7, Constitutional Court, Johannesburg.